табы кем титуалан олого болан бу сирке кеппенен
That's amazing. You know, I have your picture because I said, hey, I want one like this.
Фото покажи.
Photo, yeah.
Да, вот.
Yeah, you can take a picture, right?
Да.
Yeah, this is my ram.
Oh, that's heavy.
Very heavy. Very heavy.
Good
very
one,
nice. Yeah, really good. I'm very happy. 14 years old.
Oh, very heavy.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
Big base.
Big base. Yeah, it's like this. It's amazing.
Go, Bruno.
Did you shoot as well? Broomed horns, both of them. Yeah, you know, after 10, 11 years, none of them, very few get to, you know, to keep the tips. Well, of course, yeah. I'm so happy.
Kep titualan olaga bolan bu sirke kepipinen Ken tuttabi kinua tuttan yören Homsanan syören bu sirke sıcakpinen Ken tuttabi patjonum alkıha Eriytün bakıha Miginnin boğalarından Örreyebe sana bir kötüğür Ardıgar erkayar Gekkeca ballarından Algı solundudan Asınır oyudan İnni bityeki
Okay, now we're going to Dixie. Finally, we made it. Long wait, finally got here. For several months now, trying to put the plan together to finally come, and finally, after a long wait and lots of plane rides, we're finally here. So looking forward to a great experience, and we'll see what happens. My good friend and guy, Vladimir, and happy to be here.
How was your way?
It's a long wait, but worth it.
Now we got Dixie private hotel, so we stay overnight. Yes? Yeah. And tomorrow morning we go.
Yeah, okay.
Very early morning.
Whatever. I'm with you. Remember, I'm following you. Whatever you.
Со строганиной
My name is Katya.
How you doing?
Ага.
My name is Vladimir.
О, как его. Адъютанта. Орден.
How do you like, John? How do you like this fish?
Fish is different. I like fish. I like fish. I don't eat a lot of raw fish, but this was good.
Fresh frozen fish,
Fish.
just from the river and frozen immediately.
Вот.
Called stroganina. Really, he does it professionally. The real professionals, they cut it very thin and with making circles, not like flat, but should be like a circle.
Закручиваться нужно.
Okay, first shot in the Tixi. In Tixi.
Welcome, Tix.
Thank you. To our friends.
We're driving along the south coast of North Ocean. So we got the border with hunting property of that guy.
Getting to the edge
From,
of his
from
area.
here,
His
here's
area.
his area.
Вот,
This is like the border area
Yeah.
of this river.
So that, and you know the tradition to buy an eye, so they have something to feed by an eye. So this way we share our happiness and wealthness, because we have food, so we share food with nature. Food came from nature,
So we give
and
something back.
we give some back.
И просим, чтобы природа тоже с нами поделилась.
And ask nature to give us something back. So it's relationship between humans and nature. The territory is 2 million hectares.
2 million.
2 million hectares. You know hectare?
Yeah, hectare's like
100 by 100 meters.
Yeah,
It's like
2 acres.
300 by 300 yards.
Yeah.
1 acre. One.
Jäveen, John solus yar, emieda putu yar, suolu patapetaan. Certi jäveen, tyhjy taksine, parammat aksine, satan toro järvetään. Alkı solundudan, aksını rojudan, inni bittiekki.
What about lunch? Good?
Very good.
Cake, potato, cheese, tea, hot tea.
Или как Kharaulakh.
See the mountains.
That range there?
Kharaulakh range.
Okay.
Kharaulakh. И дальше пойдем вверх.
The mountain range up
And
through
you
there?
go to the right along.
To the right this way?
Very close. Let's say very close. Mountains begins.
Here? Yeah, there's a noose. In other words, if the pedal has to be depressed, that means there's a switch somewhere,
Yeah.
either underneath They got pulled off because
I said the same. It was just
the shock that there's that's a neutral safety switch came off. You know, flashlight going on. Just see if it engages the starter.
Oh, молодец! Инженер! Инженер, да? Инженер.
It's a neutral safety switch.
Телефон чисто.
John,
Телефон.
Apart, there should be 2 prongs in there. You could either take up 2 pieces of wire, like a paper clip, and jump it,
вот такой двойной такой клеммик.
or you could probably cut them and just wire them together, and then it would just be activated all the time. Sure.
We made it.
One last stop.
One more step. So how do you feel after a long ride?
Bumpy. It's restless.
Yeah, 19 hours.
Yeah.
19 hours.
Yeah, I don't.
Bumping, jumping. So the plan is check rifles,
Okay.
have lunch,
Okay.
and then go to
Spy camp.
spy camp.
Okay. That sounds like a plan. Usually should be like right there.
Oh, I didn't see. Oh.
Yeah. This is where it should be, right there. But I think this is me, Vladimir. I was saying, like I said, it's right in line, but
Hello.
How you doing?
My name is Nikita. Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Welcome
Thank you.
to our mountain ridge, Kharaulakh. How was the trip?
Long trip.
Long trip. A little bit tired.
A little bit, yeah.
So, Nikita,
Владимир,
очень приятно.
знаменитый Никита.
We will live there. Joe.
What's that?
We will live there.
Okay.
Over there.
Okay.
I take it. So, вчера вот об утро. Если нужны вот сетки, ну, сетки вот антимоскитные.
Понял, отлично. Молодцы. Молодцы.
О,
Как-то так.
Ох,
Да,
ничего
да.
себе. Дворец, ё-моё.
John,
Печка.
welcome.
Посовещаемся, запланируем. Welcome to our camp. Now we will eat here and discuss tomorrow planning. Okay. 55.
Yeah, they told you.
It's our normal temperature.
Yesterday said very cool.
Вот митчилере бұрынжабыты кырынжағас атан темирие әкем воду ханубайым эгини аяқ тутан бай барылах баянай тоян әкебиттен көрден аттахан тобуктан туран тоқоң нотоғым алгы санан айгыһыннан булуқтун сүйрер атақтақын нигерелемнед көтер кынаттақын үрдүбер үңүлүт сырыларбын сыяла арыла конуктарбын коньоло Terör küöspün korgunna öttük Kharaulakh eliti durda. Alvatom Karatemitçilere Kudukkının kehilen, Şegaskının semselen, Külümgının gündülen, Mişekgının manılan. İççilerim ürlük akıtıgar sügürüyen turamın alğatağın buluqtun. Yörün, kötün, külüm allayın. Kara suar tumsa xanırdın, algыс bağa sığalanın. Don.
Все, спасибо. Thank you.
John, look, here is the Bulumsky district. This is a part of Yakutia, and he has 6 villages. And now we are in the Tiksi. This is a Kharaulakh ridges.
Где могут идти? It's this side of Kharaulakh river, all this range, and to the south till where he pointed the finger. This is southern border, and then up here. So this is an area.
Here,
area. Safety instructions for hunting. All points we read carefully, and we understand all of them. Packing.
Бутылку сюда переносили, с собой надо брать. Очки я нашел.
Молодец.
Дай рюкзак один.
John, you will sit here. Владимир, вон там.
Как водитель зовут?
Водитель Кеша.
Кеша. Иннокентий. Приятно.
We have a little problem, a little bit. Now, guys, we'll change some details, and we will go. And it takes over 10-15 minutes, about.
Oh, okay.
Shit happens. Team walking.
126 yards.
Yeah, as long as, like I said, it won't correct angles past 100. It has to be over 100 to correct for the distance.
Okay.
In other words, at 100, it won't know, but once it gets past 100, first time you hold it, the first number comes up and then it blinks again. The second number is the corrected is the actual angle to hold.
But another one you gave me.
Same thing. When you click on that one,
2 times.
Yeah. Hold it. Correct for the little bit of angle. I like to look myself to the.
I have to say the first number.
No, second number.
The second number.
Yeah. The first number is
the
how
distance.
far. The second number is correcting for the angles.
For angles.
Yeah. So like if you were down here or up there.
I understood.
Havada bu bakuruk koluru bilgin bu 200 km hareket yakına. Bu da tükör yok kaşıp bütün tükör yok kaşıp.
Bir bana takama koyardı.
Bu anı bir hemen koyar bu.
Okay.
Хорошо.
Спутник, рация, телефон.
Кәрән каянын.
Россия кабына деде, это жолтыр.
Обнаружили 3 баранов. Сейчас постараемся подходить. Ну, пока качество непонятно, будем сокращать дистанцию. Кадет уяется. Или раз трансфер. Шеп.
Сказал, он вам доверяет, если скажете трофейный, будет стрелять.
Хорошо. Давайте так делаем. Сейчас вот они там лежат, где точно мы не знаем, да? Можно подниматься по этому склону, вот по краю.
Вот так можно.
Наискосок и потом стрелять вверх.
So guys found 3 sheep there upstairs, and one looks like trophy animal. So John and 2 guys, Spiridon and Nikita, started to climb. Hope they will get shooting position.
They look for us. They look on this one. They look for me. Behind the trees. It's straight. It's straight.
Поздравляю. I've been lost for words. It's such a great experience. I'm overwhelmed with joy. It's hard for me to express my emotions right now. It's too much to try to put into words.
Барыттан куттунан, кырчыктан куттанан, жалты сылжа жонтон. Эртиябей, жолпон сулус ыяр, эмеда бутуяр, суалу батапыттан. Чертиябей, түйіні тақсыне, барамат ақсыне, сатан торо ярдыктан. Алгы солун тудан, ақсынны роюдан, енді биттекки. Ол сөттік сағатқа, ұғыярдыра.
John, Vladimir, good luck. Goodbye. Вам спасибо, всего доброго, до свидания.
Солонтудан ақсымны бойытан енді бітпекки ол сүттік сағатқа ұяр дыраққа енді бет қоту күлімді керейін мәйі жүркейін енді бітпекки үртікке талан жып жалға қарбаған енді бет қоту